That's a hawk.
It's definitely eating something.
Looks like a fish.
I lost it.
Let's watch it eat it. You're not stalking.
What the heck is it? It must be a hawk.
It's a hawk. Just look at it.
It could be a type of eagle because they're bigger, but I don't know. It looks like a hawk.
I wanted to go scare. Are you kidding me? That'd kill me.
Yeah, I know. Good thing I held you back. Holy crap.
That's sick. Yeah, that's probably not.
It looked up.
This on YouTube would be one of those like crazy people like you do for the double rainbow.
Holy crap. It's the hawk all the way across the lake.
It's starting to look like a triple.
Oh. That's a big claw print.
That's gross. It was like.
That's the size of my hand at least. Ew, it was yellow there. Yum.
Yeah.
Holy crap. I think it's an eagle. The size of that thing doesn't match up to be a hawk.
I'm documenting.
It's circling back.
Oh, yeah.
I lost it in the camera.
It's a big bird if you can see it from there.
I lost it on camera. I can see it out there. Oh, there we go.
I lost it.
I got it.
Where's it?
Just landed. Right there. See the camera? Right there. I can't keep it lined up.
Alright, shaky.
Right, there it is.
I'm documenting your life story.
I want it to come out. I know what tree it's in.
You just thrust with that.
It's in that one right there.
Just run over there.
At least I'm pretty sure that's the tree.
Oh, I showed the snowmobile.
I lost it again.